Hello students, today we are going to discuss about the anthracene. As in the first part we have discussed about the structure, properties and the synthesis of anthracene. In this lecture we are going to cover the following contents. First is reactions of anthracene, then uses of anthracene and the derivatives of anthracene. So first we are going to discuss about the reactions of anthracene. As you know, anthracene is composed by the fusion of three benzene ring. So its characteristic property is basically the electrophilic substitution reaction, but it is less stable and more reactive than benzene. That's why it also gives addition reactions. Reaction in anthracene preferably occur at C9 and the C10 position. The chances of attack of electrophile can be at C1 position, C2 position or C9 position. Okay, but the intermediate formed by the attack of electrophile at C9 position is more stable as compared to C1 and C2 position. That's why the product formed preferably at C9 position or the C10 position. So first is halogenation reaction. In halogenation, anthracene react with the bromine in the presence of carbon tetrachloride to form anthracene dibromide, which on heating release HBr to form 9-bromoanthracene. Next is nitration. In this, anthracene is reacted with the nitric acid in the presence of acetic anhydride to form one product formed is 9-nitroanthracene because nitro group is attached at 9th position, and second one is 9,10-dinitroanthracene. Nitro group is attached both at 9th position and 10th position. So the two product will form in case of nitration. Now next is sulfonation. Anthracene on reaction with sulfuric acid form 1 anthracene sulfonic acid and 2 anthracene sulfonic acid. It is an exceptional. In other substitution reaction, substituent attack at either 9 and 10 position, but in case of sulfonation, substituent attack at first and second position to form 1 anthracene sulfonic acid and 2 anthracene sulfonic acid. Now the next is reduction. Anthracene on reduction in presence of palladium and sodium ethanol to form 9,10-dihydroanthracene. Next is oxidation. Oxidation in the presence of sodium dichromate to form 9,10-anthraquinone. So these are the few reactions of anthracene. Now let's see the uses of anthracene. Anthracene is used for the manufacturing of anthraquinone, as you have seen in the reactions of anthracene. Anthracene on oxidation form anthraquinone. So it is used for the manufacturing of anthraquinone. It is used in the production of red dye, that is known as alizarin. It is also used in the wood preservative, insecticide and coating material. So these are the few uses of anthracene. Now let's see the derivatives of anthracene. These are the few derivatives of anthracene. One is 9,10-anthraquinone. This 9,10-anthraquinone is used for the manufacturing of a dye that is known as alizarin. So anthracene is first converted into the anthraquinone, which is then converted into the alizarin. Alizarin is a dye. So these are the two structures. These are the two derivatives of anthracene. This is anthraquinone and it is alizarin. Alizarin contain 2 hydroxyl group. One is at first position and another one is at second position of anthraquinone. So these are the derivatives. So it is all about the anthracene. Thank you so much.